The keyword for Ox in Sheep 2015 is change. With a strong negative influence from Tai Sui, you might find yourself losing temper and concentration easily. This will be a year of ups and downs, so brace yourself and take control to change things for the better. In fact, the more you change, the better your luck will be. Newborn or wedding in the family can also bring you good luck. There will be unexpected expense this year, so save up early and learn to manage your finance better. Never become a guarantor or lender, and be careful with legal documents. Avoid short-term and risky investment, and do not listen to the so-called inside tips. Otherwise, your greed may lead you to big losses or even bankruptcy. Donate to charity can avert the losses and bring you good luck. Change is in the air for romance. It could mean breakup, newborn, or even wedding bells. Single may not find that special one, but you'll meet new friends in January, May, or July. For the attached ones, this could be the year of ultimatum. So it's either time to get married or break up. It's your call. For the married couples, don't let petty quarrels come between you two. Career-wise, be proactive and make changes. Watch your temper and your mouth. There will be misunderstanding at work, so stay away from dispute and watch out for backstabbers. Also, learn something this year will help you advance in your career later. Health will be a concern this year. Pay attention to your driving habits, diet, and avoid sharp objects, hospitals, and extreme sports, especially in June and December. Try to donate blood or volunteer can help reduce bad luck. Your best months are lunar April, August, and November, and be cautious in the months of March, June, and September. Best colors are beige and brown. Best numbers are 1 and 4, and surround yourself more with people in the signs of snake and rooster. So there you go, the forecast for Ox in the year of Sheep 2015.